iPhone 4S Screen Replacement Tutorial by Jennifer Keller. Step 1. Break your screen. Step 2. Remove the two pentalobe screws from the bottom of the iPhone with a 5-point screwdriver. Step 3. Using a suction cup, slide the back up and remove. Step 4. Remove two screws to detach the battery connector. Then use a pry tool to loosen the battery and pull the tab to remove the battery completely. Step 5. Remove the metal cover and pry the dock cable from the socket on the logic board. Step 6. Using a plastic pry tool, detach the connector to remove the rear-facing camera. Step 7. Detach the headphone jack volume button cable, front-facing camera cable, digitizer cable, display data cable, and power button cable. Step 8. After disconnecting the Wi-Fi antenna, remove 3 screws and carefully slide out the logic board. Step 9. Remove the 2 screws from the sides of the speaker enclosure assembly and carefully remove. Step 10. Remove the screw in each of the 4 corners. Step 11. Loosen the 3 screws on each side about 1/2 turn. Do not completely remove. Step 12. Being careful of the broken glass, pry the screen away with a plastic pry tool. Step 13. Using the reverse order, the phone can now be reassembled with the new screen. Some helpful pointers are: be careful with the ribbon cables, they tear very easily, especially the home button cable. Money saved. I got the replacement screen and toolkit for $13.50 on Amazon. Most repair stores charge around $100 to replace a broken screen. I saved $86.50, plus I could charge others for replacing their screens in the future. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.